Welcome, this is Teacher Banda, and today we're going to look at this question from Maths Paper 2, G.C.E 2025. We're asked to evaluate this. So when you look at this nicely, this is just integration. We have these two limits, the upper limit, the lower limit, given, meaning this is a definite integral. Okay, so this means that when we integrate this, what we're going to get after integration, we're going to insert the upper limit first. Okay, what we're going to get, we subtract, then we're going to insert the value for the lower limit. What we're going to get is our solution. So integration is simply the reverse process of differentiation. Okay, so this is a simple stuff here that we're going to integrate. So I've written this again. Okay, I want to write it in an expression that it's going to be easy to integrate. We have 4 here. We have 5. Sorry, it's a constant number here. So initially, this means that we had something like 5x to the power 0, because we know x to the power 0, we're going to get 1. So 5 times 1, we have what? 5. So initially it was x to the power 0, but they opted not to just write this. So we have 5x to the power 0. I've written this because it's going to make it easy for us to integrate. So 5x to the power 0 plus 4x minus x to the power 2. We're supposed to forget the limits. We have 1 to 4. Okay, so we can now integrate. So integrating this, 5x to the power 0, we're going to say plus 0 plus 1, the power plus 1. What we're getting here, what we're doing here, we do the same stuff at the bottom. 0 plus 1 plus 4x, meaning it's having power 1 here. 1 plus 1, same thing at the bottom. 1 plus 1 minus x, 2 plus 1 there at the bottom again. 2 plus 1, 1, 4 as our limits there. Okay, so here 5x, 0 plus 1, we're going to have 1, which is as good as x. 0 plus 1, we're going to have 1. 1 into this will not change anything, so it's as good as not writing anything at the bottom there on the denominator. So we're going to have 5x plus 4x. 1 plus 1, we're going to get 2. The bottom 2 into 4, we're going to have 2. So we're going to have 2x to the power 2 minus x. 2 plus 1 there, we are going to have 3 over 3. Limits 1 to 4. We have now integrated this. We have now integrated. Okay, so like I said, since now we have integrated, we're going to insert our limits. So we'll start first with the upper limit, which is 4, then subtraction, then we set the lower limit. So say 5, we set 4 plus 2, 4 power 2 minus 4 the power 3 over 3, like this. Okay, then we're going to say 5, going to put 1 here, so we have 1 plus 2, 1 to the power 2 minus 1 to the power 3 over 3. Okay, let us now simplify this. So we're going to simplify this because this is done. It's just a matter of simplifying. So 5 times 4, we're going to have 20 plus 2, we have 2 here, 4 to the power 2. So 4 to the power 2, we're going to have 16. 2 by 16, we're going to have 32 minus 4 to the power 3, that's 64 over 3 minus there. Okay, we have 5, we're going to have 5 plus 1 to the power 2, it's 1, 2 times 1, we're going to have 2, minus 1 to the power 3, it's 1 over 3. So here we're going to add 20 plus 32, 20 plus 32, we're going to get 52 minus 64 over 3. Here we're going to have 5 plus 2, we're going to have 7 minus 1 over 3. Okay, now this simply subtraction of fraction. So I'm going to subtract here, even there. So 52 over 1 minus 64 over 3. The common denominator here is 3. So 1 into 3 times 52. 1 into 3 is 3 times 52. We're going to get 156. 3 into 3, 1 minus 64. Okay. Let's do the same this side. The common denominator of 1 and 3, it's 3. 1 into 3, 3. 3 by 7, it's 21. 3 into 3, it's 1. 1 times 1, we're going to get 1. So here we have 156 minus 64, giving us what? 92 over 3 minus 21 minus 1, we're getting 20 over 3. So the common denominator here is 3. 3 into 3, it's 1. So we have 22 minus 20, just like that. So we have 72 over 3. 3 into 72, we're getting 24 as our answer. So this is how we solve this. Hope this has helped someone out there. That's how we deal with questions like this definite integral. Thank you.